How to add current city on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add current city on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the edit profile button. And now here, if you scroll down there in the details, beside that option there, you can see the edit button. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the edit icon beside the current town/city option. And here you just have to tap on the drop down arrow beside that option that says current city name. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to type the name of your city, and there you will see a matching result appearing on the result page down below. So here you just have to select the city that you want to add, and here when you're done you just need to tap on the save at the bottom, and after that you just have to tap on share, and with that you can simply tap on save again, and this will change your current city, and that's it. Now here you'll see that your current city has been added, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.